So here we will start with question number 5. In question number 5 it is given that sum of two natural numbers is 8. So if one number is x, second one will be what? 8 minus x. Now it is given that the difference of their reciprocals is 2 by 15. So the reciprocal of x is 1 by x, 8 minus x is what? 1 by 8 minus x. So the difference of the reciprocal 1 by x minus 1 by 8 minus x equal to 2 by 15. When we will take the LCM, this is 8 minus x, here x into 8 minus x equal to 2 by 15. So 8 minus 2x by 8x minus x equal to 2 by 15. We will do cross multiplication. 15 into 8, 120, 15 into 2, 30x equal to what? 2 into 8, 16x minus 2x square. So 2x square minus 46x plus 120 equal to 0. Dividing by 2, we are getting x square minus 23x plus 60 equal to 0. Now, splitting this one into middle term factor x square minus 20x minus 3x plus 60. Okay, we are getting x equal to 3 and x equal to 20. So we are not taking x equal to 20 because the sum of the two numbers is 8. Okay, so it cannot be 20. So we are taking x equal to 3. Second number will be 8 minus x, that is 8 minus 3 equal to 5. Now see here in question number 6. In question number 6 it is given that difference of the square of two numbers is 45. Difference of the square of the two numbers is 45. The square of the smaller number is 4 times the larger number. Determine the numbers. Now see here. Difference. So let the larger number be x and the smaller number be y. So as the larger number is x and smaller number is y, their difference x square minus y square equal to 45. And it is given that square of the smaller number is 4 times the larger number. So y square, that is what? 4 times of x. Now this y square can be replaced by what? 4x. So x square minus 4x equal to 45. X square minus 4x minus 45 equal to 0. Now we will split this one into what? Middle term factor. So LCM, that is, we will take 1 into 45, that is 45 LCM, 3, 15, 3, 5. So 9 minus 5 we are getting 4. Again we are splitting this one into middle term factor. We are getting x equal to 9 and x equal to 5. Now here we said that the difference of the two numbers is 45. So here x equal to 9, then we will take x equal to 9. Y square, that is y into 9, that is y square, that is 36. Y equal to what? Plus or minus 6 you will get. Okay. And here it is given that the difference of two numbers are okay. So here next, that is x equal to what? Minus 5. So y square, that is 4 into minus 5, y equal to minus 20. Y square equal to minus, y equal to minus root over minus 20. This is not possible. Okay. So our value is what? X equal to 3 and y equal to what? 6. Okay. Next. Next we will come to question number 7. In question number 7 it is given that there are 3 consecutive positive integers such that the sum of the square of the first and the product of the other two is 154. There are 3 consecutive positive integers. In question number 7, 3 consecutive positive integers. So if one is x, second one is x plus 1, third one will be x plus 2. As for example, 3 consecutive positive integers, that is 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So here we can write, that is question number 7, that there are 3 consecutive positive integers means what? 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, like that. So here we can write this one, that is 3 consecutive positive, such that sum the square of the first and product of the other two. Square of the first and product of the other two. That is given to be what? That is given to be 154. 154. So this is x square, here it is x square plus 2x plus x plus 2 equal to 154. 2x square plus 3x minus 152 equal to 0. 2 minus 154, that is minus 152. Now when we will take the LCM of 152, this is 2, 7, 6, 2, 3, 8, 2, 19. And here 1, 2 is there. So 2 into, okay, into 2. So you are getting 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 19. Follow. Here we will multiply 2 with 152. So we are not multiplying this one. First of all, we are determining the LCM and then multiplying it by 2. So this is 19 and this one is 16. So 16, 19 minus 16, we are getting what? 3. So 2x square plus 19x minus 16x minus 152 equal to 0. X common 2x plus 19. Here 8 common. This will be 2x plus 19 equal to 0. That is 8 1s are 7. Okay. So x minus 8 and 2x plus 19 equal to 0. X minus 8 equal to 0. 2x plus 19 equal to 0. X equal to 8. X equal to minus 19 by 2. Okay. Now, so we are getting x equal to 8. We cannot take fraction here. It is given that 3 consecutive positive integers. So first one x equal to 8. Second one x plus 1, that is 8 plus 1 9. Third one, that is x plus 2, that is 8 plus 2, that is 10. Next, question number 8. In question number 8, it is given that find 3 successive even natural numbers, the sum of whose squares is 308. So we have to find 3 successive even natural numbers. So first one is x plus 2. Third one will be what? X plus 4. Sum of their squares is, how much it is given? Sum of their squares is 308. So x square, x plus 2 the whole square, x plus 4 the whole square equal to 308. So this is x square plus 4 plus 4x, x square plus 16 plus 8x equal to 308. So this is 3x square, 4x plus 8x, that is 12x, and here it is 16 plus 4, 20. Okay. So this is 16 plus 4, 20 minus 308 equal to 0. 3x square plus 12x minus 288 equal to 0. Okay. Divided by 3, it is x square plus 4x minus 8 3s are 3 7s are 3 9s are 27, 3 6 are 18. Now you can solve this one. Okay. Next, question number 9. In question number 9, it is given that, question 8 number 2 is also there. This is 8 number 1. 8 number 2, it is given that find 3 consecutive odd integers, sum of whose squares is 83. You have to find 3 consecutive odd integers. Okay. So 3 consecutive odd integers, again it will be x plus 2, x plus 4. Whether it is odd integer or even integer, always the difference, consecutive odd integer or consecutive even integer, the difference is always 2. As for example 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9. Similarly, if it is even integer 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8. So whether it is odd integer or even integer, it will be simple, that is x plus 2 and x plus 4, and the sum of whose squares is 83. Similar to this one, x square, x plus 2 the whole square, x plus 4 the whole square equal to 83. Okay. Now it can be done as we have done this one. Next, question number 9. In question number 9, it is given that in a certain positive fraction, the denominator is greater than the numerator by 3. Okay? In a certain positive fraction, the denominator is greater than the numerator by 3. So here we are taking the numerator let it be x. So the denominator is greater than the numerator by 3. So denominator, that will be x plus 3. So our fraction will be x by x plus 3. Any doubt? See here. Here we are taking, okay, numerator to be x, denominator will be what? X plus 3. So the fraction will be what? X by x plus 3. Okay. Now it is given that if 1 is subtracted from both the numerator and the denominator, the fraction is decreased by 1 by 14. If 1 is subtracted, see here, if 1 is subtracted from the, this is the fraction, okay, this is our fraction, and it is given that if 1 is subtracted from the, means 1 is subtracted from both the numerator and the denominator, the fraction is decreased by 1 by 14. So 1 is subtracted from the numerator, that will be x minus 1, and this will be x plus 3 minus 1, which is equal to x minus 1 by x plus 2. This is a new fraction. Okay. Now in this process, the fraction is decreased by 1 by 14. That means what? The earlier fraction was greater and now it is smaller. So the fraction is decreased by 1 by 14. So we can write x by x plus 3 minus x minus 1 by x plus 2 equal to 1 by 14, because the fraction is decreased by 1 by 14. Okay. Now here when we will take the LCM, x plus 3 into x plus 2, this is x into x plus 2 minus x minus 1 into x plus 3 equal to 1 by 14. X square plus 2x minus, here when we will multiply, x square plus 3x minus x minus 3 by, multiply this one, x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6 equal to 1 by 14. Okay. Now here further when we will simplify this one, x square plus 2x, this is minus x square minus 3x plus x plus 3 divided by x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 1 by 14. This will cancel out this plus 2x. So here 3x minus 3x, this will also cancel out. So you are left with 3. 3 by x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 1 by 14. 3 into 2, 3 into 14 equal to x square plus 5x plus 6. 42 equal to x square plus 5x plus 6. 0 equal to x square plus 5x minus 36. Now when we take the LCM of 36, see here, 36 2, 18, 2, 9, 3, 3. Our requirement is 5. So we are 9 minus 4, 5, we are getting 9 minus 4, 5. Okay, now you can do it. So what is our requirement? We require a fraction. Find a fraction. Okay. So here we can write this one as what? X square plus 9x minus 4x minus 36 equal to 0. X common x plus 9 minus 4 common x plus 9 equal to 0. X minus 4 x plus 9 equal to 0. x minus 4 equal to 0, x plus 9 equal to 0, x equal to 4, x equal to minus 9. Now, here, fraction that is given to be a what? Positive fraction is given, so we will take x equal to 4. Our fraction is x by x plus 3. So, 4 by 4 plus 3, that is 4 by 7. This cannot be possible, okay? So, we are taking x equal to 4. Okay, next. Question number 10. In question number 10, it is given that the sum of the numerator and denominator of a certain positive fraction is 8. The sum of numerator and denominator of a certain positive fraction is 8. So here, let the numerator be x. So denominator, that is 8 minus x. Therefore, the fraction will become x by 8 minus x. Now, it is given that if 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator, the fraction is increased by 4 by 35. New fraction, if 2 is added, so new fraction, that is x plus 2 by 8 minus x plus 2. So this is x plus 2 by 10 minus x. This is the new fraction. Now, here it is given that the fraction is increased by 4 by 5. If 2 is added to both numerator and denominator, you are getting the new fraction, that is x plus 2 by 10 minus x. The fraction is increased by 4 by 35. That means what? This fraction is greater than the previous one. So our equation will be x plus 2 by 10 minus x minus x by 8 minus x equal to 4 by 35. Clear? Then we will take the LCM. 10 minus x into 8 minus x. This is x plus 2 into 8 minus x into 10 minus x equal to 4 by 35. Okay. Now, you see here, this is 8x minus x square plus 16 minus 2x minus 10x plus x square by, this is 80 minus 10x minus 8x plus x square equal to 4 by 35. Minus x square plus x square will cancel out. Now this is 8x minus, this is 12x, that is minus 4x plus 16 divided by, this is x square minus 18x plus 80 equal to 4 by 35. Here we can take 4 common and cancel it out. 4 we are taking common, minus x plus 4 by x square minus 18x plus 80 equal to 4 by 35. This will cancel out. 35 into minus x plus 4 equal to x square minus 18x plus 80 minus 35x plus 140, that is x square minus 18x plus 80. 0 equal to x square minus 18x plus 35x. So here minus 18x plus 35x plus 80 minus 140. So 0 equal to, is x square, 15 minus 8, that is 7x, 2 minus 1, that is 1, plus 17x plus is minus 60. After that you will get. Okay. Now you can solve it in middle term factor. Next, question number 11. Question number 11, it is given that, see here, it is given that A two-digit number. Okay. See here. Before doing the two-digit number, see. We will do question number. We will do this two-digit number later on. Okay. Here, a two-digit number contains the bigger at tens place. Here, two-digit number. In case of two-digit number, as for example, 53. Okay. So this 53, this can be written as what? 10 into 5 plus 3. Okay. Sum of the digit. Sum of the digit means what? These two sum. 5 plus 3. Difference of digit, that is 5 minus 3. Okay. Then product, 5 into 3. Product of digit. Okay. After that, reverse digit. So reverse digit, that is what? 53, that will 35, 10 into 3 plus 5. Similarly, if any number is xy, then the digit will be 10x plus y, sum of the digit x plus y, difference of the digit x minus y, product of the digit x into y, reverse digit, that is 10y plus x. Okay. Now see here. Here in question number 11 it is given a two digit. This one you keep in mind. Okay. This will be helpful for you in future also. Now see here, we will come to question number 11. In question number 11 it is given that a two-digit number contains the bigger digit in the tens place. The product of the digit is 27. Let the two-digit number be, let the two-digit number be xy, that is 10x plus y, where x is, it is given, number in the tens place is greater than the units place, that is x is greater than y. Now the product of the number is, where it is given, the product of the number, product of the digit is 27 and difference is 6. Product x into y, that is 27, and difference x minus y, that is 6. So from here we can write x minus 6 equal to y. Put the value of y here. X into x minus 6 equal to 27. X square minus 6x minus 27 equal to 0. And when we will take the LCM of 27, this is 3933. So x square minus 9x plus 3x minus 27 equal to 0. X common x minus 9 plus 3 common x minus 9 equal to 0. X minus 9, x plus 3 equal to 0. X minus 9 equal to 0, x plus 3 equal to 0. So x equal to 9, x equal to minus 3. So here it is given that two-digit number, and secondly it is given two-digit number. So here I am getting x equal to 9, x equal to minus 3. So here if x equal to 9, y, that is what? 6 minus x, y equal to x minus 6, or y equal to 9 minus 6, or y equal to minus, y equal to 3. Okay. So the number that will be, number that is, x is 9, y is 3, so number is 10x plus y. 10 into 9 plus 3 equal to 93. Follow? Okay. So here numbers, that is what? 93. Next, that is question number 12. Negative number we are not taking because it is not given negative number. Okay. Next, question number 12. A two-digit number is given by, here in question number 12 you see, a two-digit positive number is such that the product of the digit is 6. So let the number be xy, that is 10x plus y. Product of the digit is 6 x into y, that is 6. Okay, and if 9 is added to the number, the digit interchange their places. If 9 is added to this number, the digit will interchange their place. That means what? Xy will become yx. So if 9 is added to the number 10x plus y plus 9, it will interchange the place. It will become 10y plus x. Okay. Take it one side. So you are getting 10y, 10x minus x plus 9. This is y plus y minus 10y plus 9 equal to 0. So 9x minus 9y plus 9 equal to 0. X minus y plus 1 equal to 0. X plus 1 equal to y. So we are getting y equal to what? X plus 1. Okay. Product of the number is 6x into y, that is 6. So x and y can be written as x plus 1 equal to 6. X square plus x equal to 6. Or x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. X square 2 into 3, 3 into 1, 3 minus 2, x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. X into x plus 3 minus 2 into x plus 3 equal to 0. X minus 2, x plus 3 equal to 0. X minus 2 equal to 0, x plus 3 equal to 0, x equal to 2, x equal to minus 3. So we cannot take negative number, okay? We will not take negative number. So y, that is, we are taking x equal to what? 2. So y that is given to be what? X plus 1. 2 plus 1, that is 3. So number will be 10x plus y. Our number is 10x plus y, 10 into 2 plus 3, that is 23. Followed. Next, question number 13. In question number 13, it is given that a rectangle of area 105 cm square has its length equal to x. Write down its breadth in terms of x. Now here, in question number 13, a rectangle, its area is 105 cm square. The length is given to be x. The length of the rectangle is x. Length is given to be x. We have to find the breadth. Let it be y. So area x into y, that is 105. So breadth in terms of x, that will be what? 105 by x. Okay. Next. Write down its breadth in terms, given that the perimeter is 44. Perimeter is given to 44. Write down an equation in x and solve to determine the dimensions of the rectangle. The perimeter is given to 44. So 2 into length plus breadth equal to 44. This is 22x. Y can be written as 105 by x equal to 22. Here, x, this is x square plus 105 equal to 22. X square plus 105 equal to 22x. X square minus 22x plus 105 equal to 0. Okay. Now, here 105 LCM, that is 3, 3 is a 9, 3, 5, then 5, 7. Our requirement is 22. So 15 plus 7, x square minus 15x minus 7x plus 105 equal to 0. X common x minus 15 minus 7 common x minus 15 equal to 0. x minus 7, x minus 15 equal to 0, x minus 7 equal to 0, x minus 15 equal to 0. So you are getting x equal to 7, x equal to 15. Okay. Now, if x equal to 7, y that is equal to what? 105 by x, y equal to 105 by 7, y equal to 15. Okay. And if x equal to 15, y here will be 105 by 15, y equal to 7. Anything we can take. Therefore, dimension will be length, that is, take 15 or 7, whatever is there. 15, breadth, that is 7. Or length 7, breadth 15. Whatever you want to take, that can be taken. Okay. Now, so this is up to question number 13. In question number 14, it is given that a rectangular garden 30 meter by 16 meter is surrounded by a concrete walk of uniform width. A rectangular garden. See, question number 14. This is a rectangular garden. Okay. That is of length what? That is given to be 10 meter by 16 meter. 10 meter by 16 meter. Okay. Is surrounded by concrete walk of uniform width. It is surrounded by concrete walk of uniform width. So here width will be same here. This side also let the width be x, and this side will also x. Here also x. This is also x. So this length will be what? X plus 16 plus x. 16 plus 2x, and this one will be what? X plus 10 plus x, that is 10 plus 2x. Now, what is given? Given that the area of the walk is 120 meters square. Now, area of the walk is 120 meters square. Assuming the width of the walk to be x, form an equation in x and solve it to find the value of x. Area of this portion. Area of this portion, that is given to be 120. 120. Okay. So we can write area of the bigger rectangle minus area of the smaller rectangle equal to what? 120. Area of big rectangle minus area of small rectangle equal to 120. So area of a bigger rectangle, that is 10 plus 2x into 16 plus 2x minus area of the smaller rectangle, that is 10 into 16 equal to 120. Now when we will multiply 160 plus 20x, 160 plus 20x plus 32x plus 4x square minus 160 equal to 120. Okay, so this is 4x square plus 52x. This will cancel out. Okay, minus 120 equal to 0 divided by 4, x square plus 13x minus 30 equal to 0. Okay, our requirement is 13, so we will take the LCM of 30. 31 into 30, that is 32, 15, 3, 5. 15 minus 2, 13 you are getting. So x square plus 15x minus 2x minus 30 equal to 0. X common, x plus 15 minus 2 common, x plus 15 equal to 0. X minus 2, x plus 15 equal to 0. X minus 2 equal to 0, x plus 15 equal to 0, x equal to 2, x equal to minus 15. So width cannot be negative, so we have to take the positive value. Okay. So up to here, next we will do from question number 15. Okay.